My back hurts so bad. I'm so tired. Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today's gonna be a quick tutorial. I'm just gonna show you how to get this nice, warm, gold, mustardy, brown kind of look. And yeah, if you're interested in that, just keep watching. As always, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment down below. I enjoy your feedback. Let me know, do you guys prefer voiceover videos or do you prefer when I talk through the videos? Because I know the talk-throughs are longer, the voiceovers are shorter, but one, you know, you see a little more of my personality and stuff. So I'm probably gonna put a little poll right here so you guys can choose. So pick one of those and let me know. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to do is throw some powder on our brows to kind of like reduce all the oils that are on our skin so that our brow pomade will stick. Now I'm just going with my spoolie to kind of like get all the excess powder off. So for our brow pomade, we're going to be using the Maybelline Brow Tattoo Studio brow pomade. And I've really been liking it. It's really been helping me like fill my brows up dry, like I messed them up waxing them so much. So it's been a really big help to get them look kind of normally shaped again. Oh my god, my voice sounds weird. I'm sorry, my throat is sore. So the first thing we're going to be doing is jumping into this yellow shade from the James Charles palette. It's this really bright color called B, I think. I lost the name sheet. But I love this yellow. So basically what you're going to be doing is packing it on close to your transition, but not all the way up to the brow bone, because you want to leave space for yourself to be able to blend later. Oh, I'm breathing air. Jesus. Okay, so now we're going into the Jaclyn Hill palette. We're taking this pukey, mustardy kind of shade, and we're putting it right on top of the yellow, but not all the way up. And you're not going to be packing it on too much. You just want like a little tint of the mustard, like a little hint. You don't want to go full on orange. You want to keep it mustardy, you know? After that, we're going to be into the Morphe 39A palette, taking these two brown colors, taking the first of the two, the lighter of the two. You're going to run that all the way through your crease on a more tapered brush. You want to keep this a lot lower. You don't want to bring this up. Now on a pointed, like fluffy blender, you're going to take the darker of the two and you're going to pack that on the outer corner and then blend it, but not blend it all the way in to like the inner half of your crease, but not all the way in. It just brings this beautiful warmth that this brown color has. So now what we're going to do right here is we're going to be bringing the yellow back. So if your yellow got faded out, pack it back on, bring it back up, and then blend it into your brow bone. So it's a seamless transition. So now we're going to be taking this gold shade actually from this Profusion palette. And we're going to be spraying it, wetting our brush, and putting it on our lid. It's this beautiful, like warm, true gold kind of shade. It's perfect on the lid. It really reminds me of ancient Egypt, honestly. It's beautiful. And then we're going to be taking our darker of the browns again and packing on the outer corner again to kind of like disguise that little seam there. We're gonna make it look seamless and beautiful transition. I love this brown color, like seriously. Okay, so now we're putting the hair up so we can get serious. So for primer today, we're gonna be using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Lock Primer. This is the one I use when I'm going to work and gonna be out for hours and hours to keep us matte all day. Now we're gonna be throwing on a liquid highlighter. This is a no-name random brand highlighter that I've been using. Like just use any highlighter that matches your skin tone, preferably more gold than pink, but whatever you got. And put this junk everywhere. So now you're gonna go in with your foundation. Today for our foundation, I chose the CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation. I'm actually using a new color. This is the shade, I believe, M80. So I went up a couple shades. Before I was using T15 and it was like my summer shade. So I love the foundation already, just changed the color. And then I'm just going with my BH Cosmetics foundation brush to blend everything out as per usual. This is a pretty high coverage foundation, which is like, you know, my daily foundation. So I mean, whatever you prefer to go with this, you can pick, whatever. For concealer, we're going to be using the NYX HD concealer, which is another favorite of mine. I'm in the shade CW04, I'm pretty sure. It's a light, very yellow shade, which is perfect because it complements my undertones. And basically, if I have a foundation that's not yellow enough, it evens it out every single time. High coverage, perfect, never gives me issues. Oh, and you got to eat your fruits. Get yourself a little fruit snack, a little break during your beat so you can get your nutrients. I usually be eating fruit while I'm waiting for my concealer to dry, which is what I was doing right here. But I take my beauty blender to blend out the concealer. I prefer the finish of the beauty blender for concealer better, even though I can use a brush. But I'm just blending all that out. And then like once you put on concealer, you just look snatched. I don't know what it is. But remember to blend out the creases under your eyes before you put on your powder. For powder, we're gonna be using our same Coty Airspun powder. I'm just like packing it on because I need to bake my under eyes. Like I have to, or I'll crease. And then my nose, and the rest of my like smile lines and stuff also. Because unlike the rest of the country, in Florida, it's already hot. It's already in the 80s. Like it's spring, it's summer. It's not cold. I gotta bake. And then I'm taking my spoolie to get the powder out of my brows because I probably ruined them, all that baking. I'm taking this pretty vulgar bronzer, I forgot what shade it is, and I'm just throwing it literally everywhere because I love it. Like, I wasn't sure about it at first, but this bronzer is low-key fire. So, you know, we want to snatch the face out. I didn't really contour, I just used this for everything, so. And then we're throwing some more powder on there so we can, you know, pretend we got some cheekbones. We gonna snatch them, give us some plastic surgery, you know. And then I'm gonna take this orange shadow from the 39A palette as our blush. I love just a straight up like warm orange matte blush, especially if you have melanin. I swear to God, try it. Take a random orange eyeshadow, put it on your face, and you will never look back. Okay, so now for nose contour, we're literally using the same thing. Probably still using the Pretty Vulgar palette, honestly. Just throwing that on there really light, nothing too harsh. I don't really do all that. And then I'm setting my face with water. Don't judge me. I can hear you judge me from over there. Please stop. Okay, I'm poor. Thank you. So for highlight, we're going to be using the Jaclyn X Artist Couture collab in the shade Le Peach, one of my favorite highlighters of all time. It is beautiful. It is golden with just a little bit of pink in it. It's the perfect balance. It's perfect for my skin tone. I love it. I bathe in it. I can't sing enough praises of it. Like, it just looks so good. Like, just look at me. It don't even look splotchy. It just gives you highlight. And then you gotta hit the collarbones, you know, because you gotta be extra. We in the sundresses today. It's summertime. You gotta start highlighting your body. Like, it's that time of year. See how my collarbone pop right there? That's important. Now for the inner corner highlight, I'm using the exact same thing. I want my entire highlight to be uniform. So I'm putting the little peach everywhere in the inner corner and the brow bone. So for under the eyes, I was lazy. I took my same brush I used in the crease and just ran it under the bottom, same colors. And then I just took a smaller, like tighter brush and put the dark brown on the, what's that called? The waterline, that was that. Now for mascara, I'm actually using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I got it in Epoxy Charm, and honestly, she not all that. Like, it's cute, but I don't see like it's outstanding and exemplary. I don't know what everybody's talking about all this hype. Like, my L'Oreal Lash Paradise is better. I don't understand. But for lips, we're gonna be using our e.l.f. dark brown lipstick. It's like my go-to brown under nudes. I need like 6 backups. Like, it's such a good brown lip liner. Even though the lipstick is my favorite lip liner. Damn, I'm so out of breath. You think I have asthma? So for our nude, we're gonna be using this Kate X Rimmel London. I don't know who Kate is still, but it's this pink nude. It's my favorite everyday go-to nude color. I need a backup of this also, honestly. And then on top of that, I'm using like this pinky glittery gloss. You can use any gloss you like for this, but you know, it's just a little match, gives a little shim, a little shine, and you know, make our lips look a little bit more pouty, a little bit more fresh. Oh, and then for brow gel, I'm putting on the e.l.f. clear brow gel. She $2. It's cheap. It works. It just helps the brows not look so much powdery after all the face makeup that we did. Oh, and then I'm just spraying my edges because, you know, they get a little dusty from all that foundation in them, and that's basically it. Alright guys, that's it for this video. You know, a cute warm look, just something quick, fast, and easy. And if you guys want to see more videos like this, I'll have some on the screen. I'll have my little subscribe button on the screen. So you want to subscribe to my channel, you can subscribe to my channel, or you can subscribe on the video below. Like and comment, let me know how you like this one, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.